Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You have to act now. Sign into iCloud and keep your primary iPhone active. Go to Settings, then Messages, and turn iMessage on. This links devices. Once done, open Send and Receive and pick the phone number as the main contact. Uncheck any email addresses. Make sure your device has cellular service or active SIM so Apple can verify the number. If you see a verification message, follow prompts immediately. This step forces iMessage to prefer the number versus email. Now, synchronize every Apple device. Sign into the same Apple ID and enable iMessage on each one. Then, in Messages Send and Receive, make the phone number the sole checked contact. Do not leave email addresses checked. Once updated, restart every device to refresh Apple's servers and cache. After restarting, start a new conversation with a contact to confirm the sender displays your phone number. This central change ensures new threads default to your number. Older threads may still show email until recreated. Finish by testing. Send iMessages to several contacts and verify your phone number appears as the sender. If you still see an email, sign out of Apple ID on the problem device, then sign back in and reselect the number in Send and Receive. Make sure date and time are set automatically. If verification stalls, remove and reinsert the SIM or reset network settings, then let iMessage re-verify the number. One key troubleshooting tip: recreate the conversation thread if the old thread keeps showing an email address.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.